Hey yo, good morning, it's Mike and Claire, and today we are going to Boston driving 11 hours. I'm not even kidding, it's a long ass drive. So the discovery for today is that, or I guess I should start with the story first. I've been sick trying to vlog, edit my vlogs in the car. I get car sickness, and I think I found out the reason. It was because of my noise canceling headphones, and I needed some gravel. Because now I'm editing, and I haven't been sick yet. It's been an hour or two, and I am fine. I just finished vlog 13, and it's day 27. Oh no, it's day 28. I'm 15 days behind. Oh my gosh, that is disgusting. So I hope you guys are okay with that, but it's our vlog and this is our story. So I'm the editor, and I'm the publisher, and I'm the videographer, and I'm the controller of the vlog. So, you know. So this is how Claire rolls when she drives. First of all, does it look good? Doesn't she look so bright and neon? You know that? And it's because of this. When we drive, I need to breathe, so I turn on the aircon and air comes in so I can breathe. And Claire doesn't like the air. She doesn't like to breathe.
No, it's just freaking cold. I don't know why you turn on the aircon and waste gas, but you know, I just accepted it because you know, in relationships, you win some and you lose some. So I got my blanket.
If I don't breathe, I die.
You can breathe without the aircon.
Much later.
So we've arrived at Young's Lobster Pound. We don't know if it's a restaurant.
I'm really excited. You can see it's actually all fresh, so they're just fishing them out of this little pond. They're all like super lively and moving around. And it turns out that if you actually just buy them here and cook them at home, it's only like $9 a pound. It's 30 bucks and we're getting 2 lobsters and two dinners. But I'm really excited. It's very fresh and this place is super busy, even though it's like raining cats and dogs. Beer, look, people brought their own coolers, got some beers. Yeah. It's awesome. Anyway, let's go enjoy our little lobster dish. Apparently they're the best lobsters in the world.
Oh yeah, so this is the whole lobster. Is this a pound? This is a pound and a bit.
Are over today. They are over.
So you can see all the meat that's inside. It looks pretty full. Oh, look at that. Steaming hot. Oh, ouch.
Wow, we got some corn though.
So this place is actually really legit. Everything tastes really good, and the price is quite good as well. As you can see, hey, Vancouver.
No, man, we are originally from China.
Yeah, Hong Kong.
Hong Kong, man, Hong Kong City.
Yes.
Vancouver, Canada.
And that too.
Leho.
Very good.
Yes.
How is it tonight?
Guys.
Alright, have a good one.
Yes.
Alright, have a good
Thanks.
one.
And yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of fresh lobsters here, and yeah, it's a really unique place.
Guys, I effing loved it. Can't see anymore. Okay, I'm gonna drive now.
Moments later.
Guys, so what you see up here is actually the toll. Again, it is a freaking clip joint. We have paid like 3 or 4 of these.
More moments later.
So we have just exited the clip joint, and here's how it works. You either have the option of driving 7 hours around the clip joint, or you have the option of driving 3 hours through the clip joint. So far we've paid $1 toll, a $2 toll, a $3 toll, and another $2. So we're about 1 hour away. I don't know how many more clip joints there are, but hopefully there is not any more tolls. Cause there ain't nothing you can do, you just gotta pay it. How do you feel about it?
Been driving 11 hours. 11 hours today. can't take this. Everyone's passing me. I'm going too slow.
Yeah, you're going too slow. Can't see it. Focus on driving.
Okay.